I'll guide you through the process of setting up cash on delivery on your Shopify store without leaving your checkout vulnerable to fake orders or shipping to regions where you don't have a reliable courier. If you're ready, click the subscribe button. Let's get started. The native Shopify settings require a specific workflow to ensure your pending payments are tracked accurately. Here are the steps. Open your Shopify admin dashboard and click on the Settings gear icon located at the bottom left of your screen. Select the Payments tab. Scroll down to the Manual Payment Methods section and click the Add button. Then, from the drop-down list, select Cash on Delivery. Fill in the Additional Details field with a clear explanation of how the payment will be collected, ensuring customers know to have the exact change ready for the courier. Provide specific payment instructions that will appear on the order confirmation page to remind the buyer that their order is pending until the physical exchange of cash. Click Activate Cash on Delivery to instantly make this option visible to every customer currently visiting your storefront. Navigate to your shipping and delivery settings to verify that your rates align with your CAD strategy. For example, you may want to offer specific express options for cash orders. If you need to restrict this payment method to specific zip codes or cities, or to add a surcharge service fee for the extra handling, use a third-party app like Advance Cash on Delivery. Finally, perform a test checkout on your live site to confirm the CAD option appears correctly alongside your standard credit card and digital wallet providers. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials, and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.